What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Got something new from a company called Molsect. Something I've never really heard of. Very, very new, I believe. I think it's more towards the budget-friendly side of things. 2024. So I don't know if that's from where it made in China. So I'm guessing it's all this year. 2024. This is nothing. Nothing. Oh, 2024. So, okay. We'll check that. That box is a little cooler. So, maybe it's something a little better. We'll check that one out last. So, does it say actually? I didn't even think to check the name. Okay, so we don't even know what the name of this is. Let's see if we got some information on that inside, shall we? Nothing in there. Nice little, I guess. I don't know if it's leather or not. I'm not real knowledgeable about that type of stuff. Nice little, almost looks like a glasses case, kind of. Old school glasses case. Alright, Molsect. We all got in here, though. Got like a little magnetic pin. Yeah, magnetic pin. Little sticker right there. Cleaning cloth. Molsect. Guidelines. Lifetime warranty or warranty. Paracord of some sort. I'm surprised I didn't open this up. I'm doing that. I'm opening it up real quick. It says, unleash your style. Choose to hang. Close pair. Let's check it out. Got 3 knives. I don't think there's... I just want to see. I'm sorry. Oh, it's just cord. Man. Ain't nothing fancy. I was like, oh, something cool maybe gonna be in here. Nope. Nope. That's alright. We'll put it back in the cleaning cloth case. But I don't know what the name of this is. So, 14C28N though. I guess that's not too shabby. I don't know if I like the pocket clip. Because look how small that is. Like, there's ain't no jump, no ledge or anything hardly right there. Very small. So you might have a little bit of problem getting that in your pockets. It is recessed though. The pocket clip is. The screws are not though. But that's not too bad if the pocket clip's recessed. Not reversible. A little bit thicker though. Not bad though. Nothing worse than other knives. What's going on here? So it doesn't feel like it hits until right there. This feels weird. Not quite sure about that. And then it's just falls. I don't know how well I like that. And I don't even know what knife this is called, so... so jimping's not bad though. I'm gonna give it on the jimping. The jimping's pretty good. I like that. Need a Phillips screwdriver though to change that apparently. Got a nice little M for the emblem right there. Looks like the rest is T6. Molsect real big on the pocket clip. Liners are not recessed at all. It's kind of heavy too. Not bad though. Not too awful bad. I don't know. I just don't like the liner. The liner lock. Because once it just, all it takes is a little jump past that ball and I don't know. I don't know, it just doesn't feel right to my liking. But that's me though. Again, just me. Just me. Not knocking the company or anything like that. I know everybody's different and stuff like that, so I don't know. Let's check out these other ones. See what else we can get into. Hang on, this one feels heavy though. I'll tell you that much. Oh, good lord, that's why. So it looks like it's all the same stuff inside. So I'm not going to go get it all out. Show it. Unless you guys want me to show you again? Everything? No? Okay. Didn't think so. We'll move on then. And again, no name. But that's alright. Okay. Okay, this is stupid. Alright, so this thing's like a brick, dude. Not even joking. I was wondering why that box, like when I picked it up originally by itself, I was like, good lord, that thing's freaking heavy. It's got a machete in it. That's why. I didn't. It's a folding machete, I swear, man. Dude, look. Same thing. Same thing with the detent ball, except it's even worse right there. I didn't even have it locked. That's the bump right there, and all I gotta do is. So if you want a very light detent, you got it here. Which isn't bad. This, this thing is okay. We're gonna try thumb studs. Yo, it freaking works. Okay, that's freaking nutty, dude. That freaking thumb stud works. Like, look at my, look at that. It's a freaking machete, just about. It feels like. Jimping's great on it though, man. Though it's not bad. I do really like the texturing on the G10. It does feel pretty good. I'll give it that. I like it though. It's just freaking large. Not scalp on the inside or anything. The liners are not, so that probably would have helped with the weight a little bit. Some kind of backspacer. Pocket clip is a little bit better. Obviously, daggone better be. It's got a freaking machete on it. It's got to have something to clip to. It's bigger, but it works though for the lip and everything. Again, the pocket clip is recessed, but the screws are not. I like the thumb studs though. They're kind of nice looking. They're not as bad. Not too awful bad. Again, budget. What's the steel? 14C28N. Again, you got a Phillips, or not a Phillips, like a flathead pivot. Probably T6 again for everything else, it looks like. Dude, this thing is meaty, though. I'll give it that. Good lord. I just can't believe the thumb stud worked. But again, that's probably why it's so freaking light, too. Okay, I can do it with my thumb. Okay, not really. There we go. One more time. Oh, not very good. It's just so much heavier, though. I'm not even joking. Like, if you guys get the handle something like this, it's freaking heavy. Look at it. So goofy. But, that's fine. Alright, so we got a fancy box, but the same pouch. With all the same stuff in it, so no big deal. And this one looks like it'll be a little bit more premium. It feels like it. Not bad. Nice and snappy. Same thing. The detent ball is all in the same spots for these. I don't know if I like that. I liked my detent a little earlier. I feel like I feel a little safer with it like that. Instead of like right here trying to... Because my finger... Maybe it's because I have short fingers, small hands or something, I don't know. But I have to really stretch in order to get it to go one-handed, and that's what I don't like. Let's try this. See, but this is light, and the detent ball is in the same spot. But this thing is super light, but it's also the detent, but the knife is so freaking heavy, the blade is. Like I don't even feel the detent ball. I do ever so lightly. Man, if you want to scare someone, just carry this knife around and pull it out on them. Man, check out this guy again. See, it's not as bad either. This one's pretty bad. Because the ball's so much lighter, though, in this. This one seems like it's a little bit... I just don't know how to say it. It's a little harder. A little tighter. Even though it's still in the same location where it's up there. It's a little tighter. And I have a little bit of problem. Don't know if this thing works. Oh, cool. It's like you can reverse flick it. Yeah, see, I really got to kind of move it over kind of hard. The whole frame lock. But that on your thumb gets right there in the way. So it's kind of goosey. A little goofy, I guess. Titanium looks like pocket clip. Looks like it's titanium carbon fiber inlay somehow. There you screw right there. Screw. Pivot. And again, another flathead pivot. Not bad though. I like the way it looks though. It's really not that bad. coming from the pass around group, so it's already been, people have been using it. It's so weird it's in that one spot though. No. Check something out real quick. So the reason for that mark right there, if you guys see right there, probably because of this, maybe. Right there, that little metal piece. Well, yep, that's what I'm thinking. So it's been rubbed a little raw. So that's why that's shiny right there, not just from use, just from being scratched a little bit by that. Doesn't feel bad. It really feels actually really, really good in hand. I like this one. It's more up my alley, I guess. But it does feel a lot better. I do not know what the steel is. Does it say anywhere? And no. This one does not say steel anywhere. And nothing on the box. Nothing nowhere. Okay, so that's what sucks. They don't even have names on the boxes or anything. So how are you supposed to know? Like, oh man, I don't know. That's alright. They're not skeletonized either. So, I don't know. I just don't like where that detent ball comes into play. I don't like that. That's not my thing. But I do like this knife though. It is actually kind of nice. I do like the way it looks. I like the blade. Blade's nice. But yeah, that's all I got though. Kind of, just kind of. Oh man, I really do kind of like this thing right here though. I'm telling you. I feel like my camera's too low for it to get it all in view. I need to hire my camera just to get the whole thing in camera view. But that's funny. That's all I really got for you guys. If you have any comments or questions, or if you know what the names of these are, let me know, please. Yeah, if you like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks. Sorry.